we'll guide you through how to create graphics with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to make sure you have access to the latest version of ChatGPT with graphics capabilities, which is available in the Pro or Enterprise sections. Now, once you're in, look for the Graphics Creation tab, which is usually located on the left sidebar. Click on it to open the Graphics tool. Here, you can start with a blank canvas or choose from a variety of templates available. If you're starting from scratch, select the blank canvas option. Next, you'll see a toolbar on the right side with options for shapes, text, and images. You can drag and drop these elements onto your canvas. For example, if you want to add text, click on the Text tool, type in your desired text, and then adjust the font style and size using the options provided. To add images, click on the Image tool, and you can either upload your own images or use the built-in library of stock images. Once you've added all your elements and are happy with the layout, you can customize the colors. Use the color palette at the bottom of the screen to change the background and element colors to match your desired theme. When you're satisfied with your design, go to the top right corner and click on the Download button. You can choose the file format you need, like PNG or JPEG, and then click Download to save your graphic to your computer. It's that simple to create stunning graphics with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.